Hello, my beloved mushroom family. Glad to see you again. There's not much to forage in winter in the northeast, so I'm going to do something special for you today. We are going to cook this beautiful mushroom, which is called snow fungus. You can purchase this mushroom anywhere in a Chinese or Asian supermarket. In China, what we usually do with this mushroom is to make a soup with it. In today's video, I'm going to make a soup dessert. The scientific name of snow fungus is called Tremella fusiformis and is widely cultivated in China for Chinese medicine and cuisine purposes. By curiosity, I measure the weight of dry mushroom in order to see how much it swells after soaking water over 6 hours. Before cooking the mushroom, the dry snow fungus should take a bath for at least 4 hours to swell. I use 1 liter of water here to let the mushroom get immersed completely. After 6 hours of soaking, I measure the mushroom again. Surprisingly, it swelled approximately 10 times. Then I transfer the mushroom into an old-fashioned pressure cooker. You can either use an instant pot or slow cooker. For slow cooker, it will take much longer time. Let's open the pot and give a gentle stir. Don't worry, the air bubbles are due to overboiling from the pressure cooker. It is not a mystical Chinese magic. Now, let's add some of these little beautiful goji berries. Stir a little bit more. Then add a quarter cup, which is about 50 grams of sugar. Then give another stir. Cover the lid, let it simmer for 15 minutes. We are giving some time for the goji berry to swell. Voila! It is done. Let's transfer it to our bowl. Okay, it's a taste testing time. I finished cooking the snow fungus in the pressure cooker for approximately like 2 hours. It's time for me to try the flavor. This really tastes like my childhood flavor. It's very mild. It has this like smooth texture, a little bit gelatinous, but not that crazy. Because sometimes when people when think about gelatinous, they will think about gelatin when they eat like a fish skin, the gelatin from fish skin. But this is more like a polysaccharide flavor, a polysaccharide texture from the mushroom. But anyway, so in the Chinese medicine, well, they will always say that this kind of like snow fungus is very good for your like whole body balance and like hydration. And also, I remember when I was cooking this, when it was in the pressure cooker, before I add the goji berry, the snow fungus actually, when the like steam came out from the pressure cooker, it has aroma of like almond. Like it's very special. I mean, without adding any sugar. So I believe it's like a characteristic smell odor from the snow fungus. So that's actually very interesting. So let me try one more time. Well, definitely I highly recommend you guys, like if you would like to try, this is a very good like recipe. It's very simple. Well, oh, by the way, that if you do not have the pressure cooker, what you can do a slow cooking to make this snow fungus dessert. And it's really good. You should have a try. I highly recommend it. If you never had this before, I wish that this will really satisfy your taste bud. Here I show you the recipe and you can follow the instructions. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe and share the video with your friend. I will be so happy to release more good content like this in the future. And that's all for today. Bye. Thank you very much. Wild white fungus. Am I wrong? And this is 南面传 CN 年 I guess this is a Vietnamese or Thai. Let me open this bag. All right. Oh, surprisingly, this package doesn't come as like a big one like the other package. These are all broken down into small chunks and pieces. Okay. All right, but the quality is good. As you can see, this is a bag of the. This is how it's supposed to look like for the Snow Fungus. So that's what you should go if you want to buy this in the market. Have a try. Bye.